Here's a pair of the JBL Endurance Peak 4 earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Mac, Apple computer, iMac, or a MacBook via Bluetooth. So the first thing we want to do is put the buds into pairing mode, okay? So the buds are in a case. Let me open these up. Now you'll know that yours is in pairing mode if both of the buds is blinking blue, 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 okay? I get a solid blue light here, and then it turns off. The reason is because I'm connected or paired to a different device. I think one of my phones. So for myself, I have to manually put this in a pairing mode. And how you do that is you just use one of the earbuds. It doesn't matter if you use the right or the left one. But simply you just go ahead and tap on the JBL logo there. You tap and then tap and hold and keep holding until it says pairing if it's in your ear, or both the lights will start blinking blue. Okay, so we'll do it together. I won't put it in my ear. I'm just going to go ahead and use the right one here, and we're going to do this. Ready? Tap, tap, and hold. Now just keep holding and just wait until both of them start blinking blue. If you have it in your ear, it'll say pairing. Now you can see both of them blinking blue. So we are in pairing mode. Now let's go ahead and shoot over to our MacBook here, and then we're going to go in the top left hand side, click on that Apple logo, and we're going to go down to System Settings. And then from here, we're going to select on Bluetooth. Make sure Bluetooth is turned on here. And now, if you go down under nearby devices, that little spinny thing right there is searching for a device that's in pairing mode near me. Okay, these are still in the pairing mode. It's blinking blue still, and yeah, it did find it, the Peak 4 right there. So let me go hover down here, and I'm going to go ahead and click on Connect. Okay, the buds, I just heard it say connected. And you can also see now my devices. You can see all the other earbuds and headphones I have paired to this one, but I'm currently connected with this one here, the JBL Endurance Peak 4. Pretty simple. Now, if you had any issues pairing or connecting these, you can always factory reset these. If you need to do that, look for that link in the description below.